Why does Paul want us to anchor in the saints? Because he knows that the wind and waves of doctrine will continue to crash. And that has always happened. What anchors them down? It is the gospel that does this, but they do it within a community of faith. And that's more than just students and the youth pastor. It's the whole body of Christ coming along together. And it's to go this, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. I don't know about the death do us part, but isn't that the vow of one another to the church, right? So whether we go through COVID, political turmoil, world wars, we are doing this together, and we're focusing our attentions and our affections back on the cross. And students and adults and kids all need to hear the same thing. You do this in community, and you do this because you guys have committed to one another. And the last thing is this: you mature through covenant community, discipline, accountability, and care. That leads to growth. And then here's my prayer. A generation that is deeply or planted deeply will preserve, mature, and multiply in the mission. Right? Our hope, I'm begging you guys, youth ministry is not that 7 years. It's the 70 years. How do we define success in student ministry? If we have given them tools while they're there, the best with what we have, so that in 70 years from now, right, they continue to make disciples of all nations, teaching, baptizing, leading people towards Christ. We have a chance to mold, to equip while we have that season.